The TR3 restoration is coming along pretty good. The engine is built, got it on a run stand with the transmission on it, and make sure we are completely comfortable, no oil leaks, no weirdness, nothing, that we're completely comfortable with it before we put it into the chassis. This is a body-on-frame car, so the chassis has completely been restored and assembled and done. We'll get the engine off of the run stand once we're happy with it, and we'll mount it into the chassis. Then we'll put the body over that whole thing and do the body work. It's kind of a messy way to do it, but at least on the latter stages of body work, we're going to want to have it as a car because these cars do change shape. They have to be shimmed into place, and you don't want to do that too many times. You want to be able to make sure your body work and your metal work is finished out and accurate the way the car sets on its wheels with its weight, with the weight of the engine. So a lot of this car is done. The drivetrain is completely done just for the run-in of the motor. All that's really left is the body and the interior, but bringing all these elements together in one place. If you like this video, we have more. We have a continuing series on all these cars. We try to document it all. If you want to see it, subscribe and like.